Today, we're going to learn some fun English questions and answers that you can use every day. What is that? That is a toy. Where are you going? I am going to school. What are you doing at school? I am learning science. What are you doing now? I am playing with my teddy bear. Are you singing? Yes, I am singing a song. Are you dancing? Yes, I am dancing. Can you jump? Yes, I can jump. Can you run fast? Yes, I can run fast. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Can you climb? Yes, I can climb a tree. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Can you play music? Yes, I can play the guitar. What are you reading? I am reading a book. Are you studying? Yes, I am studying. What are you writing? I am writing a note. What are you drawing? I am drawing a cat. What are you coloring? I am coloring a picture. Are you painting? Yes, I am painting. What are you eating? I am eating a sandwich. What are you drinking? I am drinking juice. What are you making? I am making spaghetti. Are you baking? Yes, I am baking a cake. What are you fixing? I am fixing my bed. What are you packing? I am packing my books. What are you planting? I am planting vegetables. Who are you calling? I am calling my dad. Who are you helping? I am helping my friend. Are you cleaning? Yes, I am cleaning my room. Are you ironing? Yes, I am ironing my clothes. Are you brushing your hair? Yes, I am brushing my hair. Are you washing your face? am washing my face. Are you watering the plants? Yes, I am watering the plants. Where are you sitting? I am sitting on the couch. Where are you lying? I am lying on my bed. Can you tie a knot? Yes, I can tie a knot. Are you kicking the ball? Yes, I am kicking the ball. What are you buying? I am buying bananas. What are you holding? I am holding a basket. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. And feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. I love hearing from you guys.